Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for Google Search Console option. For example, here is I'm searching this website. I have to create this Google Search Console in a particular website option. So who are first time watching my videos, please subscribe our channel. In this Google Search Console, how we can give access to the multiple user without sharing your username and password. That mean by once you create any kind of Google Search Console option, we can give permission using for settings. Using permission for setting, there is option name is called user and permissions. Here click for add user. We have to add user, add your particular Gmail. Now you can give permission, owner, full permission, restricted. So if you are give by 100 of permission, you can go to owner. They give full access, but they can't give access from any particular user access. Restriction nothing but permission will be limited. So we can give selecting for owner, click for add option. Before that, in this website, we don't have a SLP infra solution. You can see this one. When I'm searching, then nothing will be found. You can click for add. Add is done in a fraction of seconds. After this one, we can go for refresh, selecting for SLP infra solutions. When go to settings, here will be, new users. See this one, remove from access. So two owners, you can remove by another owner also. But in coming to this, in other option, full nothing but they can't give that kind of permissions. So those are the permissions are very important to optimize the Google Search Console option. If you have any queries in a Google Search Console, setup option, accessing and links, any kind of permission, please feel free to ask my channel. I definitely will be sort out your problem. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.